One man, one simple instruction, and of course, since Shaylee's the actor,
Hi.
everything is messed up. The sound of thunder.
Ba-ba-bum.
Welcome to Time Safari. Ready for your trip?
Does this safari guarantee I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing, except dinosaurs.
Very well then.
This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide from the past. He'll tell you what and where to shoot. If he says no shooting, then no shooting. If you disobey instructions, there's a stiff penalty of another $10,000, plus possible government action on your return.
Amazing. A real time machine. Thank goodness Keith won the elections yesterday. If he hadn't, I might be coming here running away from the results.
Oh yeah, we were so lucky that we didn't have an anti-everything dictator like you as our president. People would be calling us off the hook saying we want to go live in 1492. Anyway, Keith's president now. All you got to worry about is
Shooting my dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus Rex, a tyrant lizard, the most important monster in history. So try this release, and if anything happens, we're not responsible. Those dinos are hungry.
Are you trying to scare me?
Frankly, yes. We don't want someone who's going to panic at the first shot. 6 leaders died last year and a dozen hunters. Trust me, you probably will go through it. Anyway, your personal check is here. Tear it up.
Yeah, delete all my pictures.
Go.
Think. Every hunter in the world would envy us today. This makes Africa seem like Illinois.
Christ isn't born yet. Moses hasn't gone to the mountain to talk with God. The pyramids are still in the earth. Remember that. Alexander, Caesar, Napoleon, Hitler, none of them exist. That is a vast jungle of 60,255 years before President Keith. And that is a metal path designed to keep you from touching anything. Don't step off the path for any reason. There's a penalty and the possibility of government action upon your return.
Why?
So much as one piece of grass, one bug, or one tree is disturbed, the whole future could change. Not knowing what we might disturb, we could disturb one thing that's the key to a whole species. You could change everything.
Okay, so what?
If you kill that one key animal, you kill all future generations that come from it. First 10, then 1,000, then 1 billion possible things are killed. Think of all the things that depend on that for food. Suddenly, they don't have as much food. Smaller food means smaller population. Less population harms all the things that depend on that. It's a chain reaction. Everything could change from one little mouse.
I see. So I can't even touch so much as one piece of grass?
Correct. A little error could multiply into 60 million years out of proportion. Of course, we may be wrong. Maybe we can't change the future. But maybe it can change a little. We don't know. So until we do know, we're careful. The path, the time machine, your clothing and your bodies were all sterilized, as you know, before departure, to prevent our new bacteria from entering this ancient atmosphere.
So what animals do we shoot?
They're marked with red paint. Before our journey, Lesperance here came to follow certain animals.
Studying them?
Right. I go back in time and figure out who's gonna live and who's gonna die. Then I shoot the one that's gonna die, and it will be very hard to miss. Now you see how careful we are?
But if you came back this morning in time, then you must have bumped into us, our safari. How did it go? Did we all make it out alive?
That'd be a paradox. Time doesn't permit that sort of mess. A man meeting himself. You feel that bump on the way here? If that threatens to happen, time steps aside. That was us passing ourselves on the way back. There's no way to know if this mission went successfully, if we got a monster, or whether all of us, meaning you, Mr. Eccles, got out alive. Cut that, everyone on their feet. Stop that, don't even aim playfully. Should your guns go off, it would be a disaster.
So where's our Tyrannosaurus?
Up ahead in the red paint. We'll meet it right on time. But don't shoot until you have our word, and don't step off the path.
Safety's off.
This is it. I've shot all the big game of our time. But this is it. I'm shaking like a kid.
There he is, His Royal Majesty now.
Shh. It could reach up and grab the moon.
Shh, it hasn't seen us in blink. Keep it that way.
It can't be killed. Shit. Nightmare.
Turn around, go back to the machine, and walk quietly.
I didn't realize it was so big and threatening.
It sees us.
It has the red paint.
Get me out. I've never been afraid before, but I've met my match. I'll admit that.
Don't run. Hide in the machine.
Yes.
Echo! Not that!
Right on time. This is when the tree was supposed to fall and kill the animal.
Get up.
I'm sorry.
Get up. Go out on the path. You're not coming back.
No, I'll pay anything. Don't leave me here.
Go out on the path. Stick your arms elbow deep into the dinosaur. Then you can come back with us.
That's unreasonable.
The monster's dead, you idiot. The bullets, they can't stay. Here's my knife. Go dig them out. Go.
You didn't have to make him do that.
Didn't I? There's no way to know. Switch on. Let's go. Get out. Everything okay here?
Fine. Home.
Get out, Eccles. And don't come back. What are you staring at? I said get out. Eccles.
It can't be. Not a little thing like that. Not a butterfly. Who won the presidential election yesterday?
You're joking. You know very well. You know who, of course. Who else? Not that weakling fool, Keith. We got an Iron Man now. A man with guts. What's wrong?
Oh no. Can't we go back? Can't we make it right? Can't we make it alive again?
No.
Shaylee, can you not get up?
What are you doing?
Why are we untapped?
A very easy thing to do.
There you are. You go.
Stop that. Don't even aim playfully. Should your guns go off, it would be a
Right. I go back in time. I can't.
No, we're not doing. Shaylee, I said. Oh my goodness.